This video is a meditation on overcoming fear. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to go through a guided meditation on how we can overcome fear. I bring this up because fear is really pervasive in our lives, even if it is a low-lying fear where you fear you're going to be late for work. You fear that you're going to lose a loved one. You fear that something's going to happen to your kids. You fear that you're going to be fired. There are so many, and a lot of them are subtle, and a lot of them creep up throughout the day, and we are not even aware because we're so used to it. What we need to remember, though, is fear has kept you alive. Fear helped us through our journey of evolution to get to where we are today. Fear helped to kick in as we were growing up. It helped keep us from running out in front of that vehicle, and we probably wouldn't have made it to adulthood if it wasn't for the fear factor. So we need to honor our fear and acknowledge it. And another thing that I have found really important is to acknowledge that our emotions are our guidance system. This is a really underrated concept, I believe, because if we are feeling fearful, angry, resentful, that means that we're out of alignment with the true nature of who we are. And it's okay. It's just something that we need to acknowledge. It means that we're not on our path to becoming our best selves. So we can observe how we're feeling and not push it away, to actually face it in a kind and loving manner and then just let it go. All right, so we can start by sitting comfortably, sitting naturally, whatever works best for you. But we're going to start by just resting our hands on our legs, and I will encourage you to close your eyes because that will help you stay in the present moment. And we can breathe in through the nose, filling our stomach, diaphragm, and chest. If we're unfamiliar with belly breathing, by all means, put your hands on your stomach. Just feel your stomach gently rise and fall. Just stay with your breath. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your nose. Now with your next exhale, feel your body relax. Breathe in again, consciously breathing into our stomach, and with the next exhale, just feel your facial features relax. Relaxing your eyes and your eyelids, your cheeks. Relax your jaw. Feel your tongue relax down your throat. Breathe in again, feel your neck relax. On your next exhale, with your next exhale, feel your shoulders relax. Consciously relaxing your shoulders. With the next exhale, relax your arms and your hands. Feel your chest relax. Relax your abdomen. Relax your back. Relax your legs. Relax your ankles and your feet. Good job. Now just stay with your breath. Breathing comfortably and breathing naturally. Staying with your breath whenever your thoughts wander off. And on your next exhale, just relax fully. Feel any tension that you're still holding on to just drain out of you. Now we're going to do a scan of our body as we bring up something small that we fear. Think of something that you fear, starting small. Maybe you fear running out of coffee. It's a valid fear. Maybe you fear you're going to be late for work. Where do you feel that in your body? Just allow yourself to feel that emotion. On your next exhale, observe your body. Notice if you're holding any tension. Maybe you are. Maybe you've tensed up. We're going to acknowledge that this is a fear that you feel. And we're going to look into this fear without pushing it away, without judging it. What is the cause within me, not in anybody else, that is making me feel this fear? And now we're going to focus on just letting it go, just releasing it. Now think of something bigger, something that may have been plaguing you for a while. Maybe you have a fear of dogs. Maybe you got bit by a dog when you were younger and you're fearful of them. Maybe you have a fear of a car accident. Maybe your fear of death. Something pretty big, something pretty significant. Just bringing this fear into our awareness, facing it with openness and curiosity. Just letting it go. Not yet, just kidding. Just investigating this fear. How does this fear make me act when I think about it? How does it make me feel? How does my day usually play out if I focus on this? Really investigating, looking at it deeply. Allowing yourself to feel the fear. Allowing yourself to look at it fully. And seeing Where do we feel this in our body? Is it in our head? In our chest? In our abdomen? Where do we feel this fear? And with our next exhale, just let it go. Good. Good job. Now notice how you're feeling. Breathe in through the nose, filling the stomach, diaphragm, and chest, and then exhale. Consciously relax. Relax your shoulders. Relax your lower back. Relax your chest and your abdomen. Perhaps we've tensed up after doing this exercise. Relax your arms and your hands. Relax your legs and your feet. Just let it go. Just listening to the sounds of the room. And slowly open your eyes. Good job. You did some hard work today. You should be proud of yourself. Facing our fears can be really difficult, but it's important because if we do not face our fears, oftentimes they tend to manifest in addictions, in anger, and outbursts towards our loved ones. We tend to take things out on the people closest to us, don't we? Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you love this video. Please like, subscribe, share it with a friend, and you can also check me out on Instagram. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.